केरल सरकार गठन को लेकर कांग्रेस नेता के मुरलीधरन ने बड़ा बयान दिया। उन्होंने कहा, मुझे लगता है कि अगले 48 घंटों के भीतर निर्णय सामने आ जाएगा। कांग्रेस एक लोकतांत्रिक पार्टी है, इसलिए सभी लोकतांत्रिक प्रक्रियाओं का पालन किया जाएगा। इसमें विधायकों, गठबंधन सहयोगियों के साथ चर्चा होगी और कल पूर्व प्रदेश कांग्रेस अध्यक्षों से भी बातचीत की जाएगी। उन्होंने आगे कहा कि मुख्यमंत्री पद के लिए एक नई पीढ़ी आगे आ रही है, इसलिए स्वाभाविक रूप से इसमें कुछ विवाद और चर्चाएं होंगी। ये सामान्य प्रक्रिया है।
I think the last round of discussion will take place on tomorrow. But I think within 48 hours the decision will come.
Sir, it's been a week, so naturally there's a lot of criticism also. Congress is taking so much time to...
See, Congress is a democratic party. So they will ask all democratic methods. They discuss with the MLAs, they discuss with coalition partners. And tomorrow they are discussing with all former PCC presidents. Then they will take a decision within 2 days, tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has criticized this, saying that Congress has not been able to take a decision even after getting a clear mandate.
Because he's not any headache in Kerala for his own party, because they are only 3. So they can't form the government.
So the criticism mainly is that the other states, including in Tamil Nadu, where the election results were along with us, they have been able to. It's 7 days, this is 1 week today, 8th day today, but still Congress has not been able, and there have been protests also on this place.
See, the new chief minister is coming for Congress party. You know, formerly Karunakaran was the chief minister, Antony was the chief minister, Manjandi was the chief minister. Now another generation is coming up. So automatically there will be dispute, discussion, just natural thing. But if I come and take a final decision, nobody will oppose that decision.
So you agree that there are more than one contender for the CM post, which is creating such a delay in this?
That you know.
Sir, you will be taking one name or like taking a neutral stand?
I have already expressed my opinion to the High Command authorities. Tomorrow also the same. I am not changing my opinion.
Sir, by when are you...
Sir, PM also said that the power control Congress stabbed the DMK.
No, he is always, from the morning to night, his only job is to attack Congress party. That is his nature. How can we change his nature?
By when are we expecting a decision on it?
Within 2 days. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow.